Are you ready to discover a natural healing remedy that's been cherished for centuries? Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of thyme and lemon. This simple mixture, especially as a tea, acts like a shield for our bodies. It's not just tasty, it's packed with incredible health perks. Let's explore 3 key benefits of this powerful duo. First up, immune support and antioxidant power. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, protecting our cells. Thyme brings natural antibacterial and antifungal properties to the table. Together, they boost your body's defenses against colds and flu. Plus, they help reduce inflammation, keeping you feeling great. Next, let's talk about respiratory health and digestion. Thyme is a natural expectorant, soothing your bronchi. When paired with lemon, it eases sore throats and coughs. It's also fantastic for digestion, relieving bloating and gas. Now, how do we make this healing tea? It's super simple. Steep dried or fresh thyme in boiling water. After 5 to 10 minutes, strain it and add half a lemon's juice. Want it sweeter? A teaspoon of honey works wonders. Just a heads up, consult a specialist if you have health concerns. Embrace this natural gift and support your health. Stay well.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.